we are marking the launch of three major excitements in relation to the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit. We will be launching Waves Bazaar, which is going to be first of its kind, a global e-marketplace for all the media and entertainment content. As you're all aware, we have already launched Create in India Challenge Season 1 with 25 challenges. Now this number is moving to 31 challenges, and we'll be launching 3 new challenges as part of that today. And the most exciting thing there would be the launch of Wow Ustad, which is our challenge for Indian classical and semi-classical music. And that's where Ministry of Culture is going to be our partner in this endeavor. We are also going to be launching Waves Awards, which will sow the seeds of the Indian content, at the same time trying to bring the global eyeballs to the media and entertainment landscape in our country. Friends, as all of you are aware, our Honorable Prime Minister has been laying a huge emphasis on creating a creators economy within our country. From the Independence Day speech right to his Mann Ki Baat every month, he has been talking about empowering the content creators in our country and providing them platforms so that they can showcase their talent and ultimately allow them to convert their craft into commerce. So Waves Bazaar is actually one of those transformative initiatives which will actually be bringing together all these creators, buyers, and collaborators across the media and entertainment spectrum, which includes films, television, music, esports, animation, visual effects, gaming, comics, etc., etc. And this dynamic platform is going to bridge the geographical boundaries which are there, and which will allow all the creators facility to showcase their talent, put out their wares, and allow the buyers to look at them, and then ultimately allow them to forge meaningful B2B conversations. Waves Bazaar is going to be in 2 formats. A, event-based. Whenever waves happen, Waves Bazaar in physical sense is going to happen. But besides this, what we are launching today is a virtual Waves Bazaar, which will be on a real-time basis and will be able to build a veritable database of creators, their products on one side, and those who would like to buy those products on the other side. I think this is a huge gap which was there, and this is a huge white space which was there, which is now getting filled through the efforts of the industry, and we're very excited to take this forward. Now we are also launching 3 more challenges. As part of the Waves Create in India Challenge Season 1, we have received humongous response. In fact, close to about 2 lakh impressions, more than 75,000 viable registrations. It's becoming a Herculean task for the associations to filter this list out. But this goes to show the potential this country has in terms of the creators. And finally, we have the Waves Awards, which will celebrate excellence across media and entertainment and honor the talent in games, films, web series, influencers, because it's India's soft power, which actually comes in from our culture, which actually lies at the heart of all such initiatives. Friends, let's all embrace this opportunity to make India the epicenter of global creativity, innovation, and cultural expression. Thank you very much.